Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh no. I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing, showing you how good this slime is. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to move you guys just like that. Okay, that's good. So yeah, it is really let's say half feet.
That just landed on me.
So yeah, so it's really click, not really clicky, but really stretchy. And obviously you can see this is clear slime. What are you doing with it?
I'm trying to make a bubble. Because that's all the whole part, is to try and make bubbles.
Yeah.
We added blue paint and some
white
other
glitter.
and some water to make it all
Jiggly.
jiggly.
And so I'm going to try and make I can make bubbles with this. I'm going to make a bubble. Ugh, my hand was in it. Yeah, she can't really make bubbles because she still needs more practice because she's never played with slime before.
Yes, practice makes perfect and still really good.
See, I just made a bubble then. It made a really big bubble before and off camera. And it's really jiggly. So you want to try and make a bubble? Let's try to do it together. Yeah. Ready? I guess not.
Okay, yeah, just wait.
Okay, let's mix it together. I'm going to make a big bubble.
How you did before, so that's whole.
So like that. So that wasn't a big bubble.
That was still really good.
Okay.
It just keeps on popping. It's good. Okay, I think that's it.
For today. So bye guys, and see you maybe
Next time.
next time on our other channel. Bye.